Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the enderdragon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the snout. At the top here, let's draw a line across. Now from both ends, we're going to angle it out and down. And close it off with a line at the bottom. Now from both sides, let's draw a small line down and a line across. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw the nostrils. Let's start with a small line on the left and on the right. Now let's angle it down from both ends. And then add a rectangle at the bottom. Next, let's hop down underneath and let's continue drawing the mouth. Let's start with two small angles down and out, and then a line across. Now let's bring it down from both ends, and a line across the bottom to form a rectangle. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now let's move up and let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw a small line out on both sides. Then let's bring it up. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw two lines up like this. Then from the top, let's bring it out and up. And close each of the eyes off at the top. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a line down, and then over and up like this. Then hop next to it and one more line down. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the head. Next to the snout here, let's draw a small line out on both sides. Then let's bring it up. And close off the top of the head. Lastly, for the head, let's draw a rectangle shape up on the top left and the same on the right. Now that we're done the head, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw two lines down for the neck. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's add some horizontal stripes inside. Now at the bottom of the neck, let's draw a line out on the left and the right. Then let's bring it down for the sides of the body. And close it off at the bottom. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the legs. Let's start with two lines out on the left and the same on the right side. And then a line down to form a rectangle. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to angle it down and out. And then a line across. Now at the bottom for the feet, we're going to step up and we're going to draw a line out on both sides. And then let's angle them both down. and then close it off at the bottom. Now from the bottom corners here, let's bring it down. And then another angle across. And then angle it back up towards the body. And that's it for the front legs. Now next to it, we're going to draw the back set of legs. Let's start on both sides and we're going to draw a line out. And then let's bring it down. And then an angle back in underneath. Now for the next section of the legs, let's angle it down and back in, and the same on the right side. Next for the feet, we're going to step up and we're going to draw a line out, bring it down and back in. Then underneath, let's draw a line down and back in like this. And that's it for the legs. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw the wings. Let's start on top of the shoulders and let's draw an angle up on both sides. And then another set of angles underneath. And close it off at the end. Now for the next section of the wings, we're going to draw 2 angles up on both sides. And close it off at the top. Next, underneath the wings, let's draw a curve down and back up near the bottom on both sides. Then let's move up in the center and we're going to draw another one that's longer. And then one more longer one going out from the top. Now from the top, we're going to connect the spines by drawing a curve down. Then another curve in between the next set. And then one more back in towards the body on both sides. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. On the bottom left, let's draw a wavy line out. And the same thing underneath. And close it off at the end. Now on top of the tail, we're going to draw rectangle shapes all the way across like this. And that's it for the enderdragon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!